Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into Movember, a movement that's changing the way we think about men's health, one mustache at a time. Whether you're here to grow, support, or just learn, let's talk about why Movember matters and how you can make a difference. Stick around for some fun facts too. So, what is Movember all about? Movember is a global movement dedicated to raising awareness for men's health issues, specifically prostate cancer, testicular cancer, and mental health. It's also about sparking conversations and breaking down the stigma around these topics. And the best part, it's done with style by growing a mustache. It all started back in 2003 in Melbourne, Australia. A couple of friends, Travis Garrone and Luke Slattery, came up with the idea over a beer. They wanted to bring the mustache back into fashion while supporting a cause. Fast forward to today, and Movember has become a global phenomenon, raising over $1 billion for men's health programs in more than 20 countries. Let's pause for some Movember fun facts. Did you know that in Movember's first year, only 30 men participated? Now, millions grow their mows every November. The mo in Movember comes from the Australian slang for mustache or mo. It's not just about mustaches anymore. The campaign now includes Move for Movember, encouraging people to run or walk 60 kilometers for the 60 men lost to suicide every hour. Now how can you get involved? It's super easy. Sign up at Movember.com, grow your mo, start November clean-shaven and let that mustache shine. Move for Movember. Challenge yourself to get active for men's mental health. Host events, whether it's a bake sale, trivia night, or a mustache-themed party, have fun while raising funds. Even if you can't grow a mo, you can still support the cause by donating, spreading the word, or encouraging your friends to participate. Every little bit helps. So there you have it. Movember is more than just a mustache. It's about taking action for men's health. Let's start conversations, raise funds, and make a real impact. Don't forget to like, comment, and share this video to spread the word.